Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indhar, Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update, where I bring you bits and pieces of what's going on with the Milpitas real estate market and how that's affecting what's going on with our current economy. So there's an article last week in the San Jose Mercury News that talked about additional big tech cutbacks in works. Google, Pure Storage, mobile games company tells the state of agency plans layoffs. They plan about a 4,000 person layoff. So you think that's going to affect the economy when in reality we're seeing a high trafficked flow with all the open houses that we're doing locally. So there's plenty of buyers that are looking. I think that any layoffs is only momentarily, maybe a small cutback, but I think generally the market is very, very strong. So I would counter what the San Jose Mercury has to say about affecting any real estate values. So let me point out when buyers come into the open house that I meet or have any potential buyers, here's some tips to give to those buyers as they come through. Number one, expect to move quickly. Well, I put offer deadlines on all my listings. So there's a motivation to get that offer in and get that into myself as the listing agent. So that's one. Number two, mortgages are pre-approved. I invite my mortgage broker, who does come and attend a lot of the open houses with me, and talks to the potential buyers. And if they're not pre-approved, he can do that on the spot or follow up. And then that helps with the offer deadline in getting the pre-approval in. And thirdly, pay over asking price. You know, that's interesting. I was just sharing with this gentleman here that we had 32 offers recently on the Shenandoah property in Milpitas. And that went for $200,000 over list price. So prepare to be very aggressive in this market. So what does the average home price look like? In January of last month, 2024, the single family home price in Milpitas was $1,431,735. That's a little bit lower than we saw about mid-year last year. So there's been kind of a downward tick, but the way that they assess these average home prices is if you have a lot of lower end prices selling, that will bring down that average price. I would suspect that we're going to see that move upward a little bit more with the high rate of buyers that are in demand and looking for homes. And then these average townhome and condo price in Milpitas was $1,086,000. So that's holding. And that's because the condos and townhomes are more the entry buyer level. And you have buyers that are really absorbing those prices and getting into those right away. So what do we have open this weekend? Well, I'm excited. I just put 3 properties on for sale today in Milpitas. I have the one on Bliss Avenue. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,504 square feet in Parktown. It's nicely remodeled, and it's in the Synod Elementary School District. And the price on that is $1,598,888. That'll be open this Saturday, Sunday from 2 to 4. And then the one on North Abbott, that's 330 North Abbott in Milpitas, a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,196 square foot home in the manor. New carpet, new paint, inside and outside, new laminate flooring. We didn't do any remodeling. It's a little outdated, but it's still nice for a move-in condition. And the price point on that is $1,698,888. And the hours for the open house this weekend is 11:30 to 1:30. So I'll be kind of moving between the 2 open houses, be busy. And then I put on a duplex for sale this morning at 522 Wool Avenue in Milpitas. 2-bedroom, 1-bath for each unit. And then it has private yards and garages. And the price point on that is $1,498,888. And that'll be held as a public open house this Sunday from 2 to 4. So we thought with it being tenant occupied, we'll bring people in for a couple hours. And all offers are due next week on these properties. So I'll be able to share with you the great traffic flow that we have from open house activity and what the sellers may expect in terms of offers. So if you are interested in getting your home ready, we've got a team ready to help you. My number is 408-945-8988 or GiordanoDJ@AOL.com. I look forward to talking to you. Goodbye.